Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we create search method to search users from a database using this search box. So we'll create the jQuery function to get the search value from this box and send it to our search method to display the users. And sorry, I've got a cold and have difficulty speaking because of mucus in my throat. Anyway, let's create our JS file to create the jQuery function. Go to your code editor and create a new file in your JS folder, which is in assets folder. So save as search.js, and first we need to check for the DOM. So $, parentheses, function, parentheses again, open and close curly brackets. So this is how we create the DOM function. To check the page, when the page is fully loaded, you need to create the function to get the values from the search box. From this search box here, if you go to your home PHP and search for search, you will find the input for the search box, which is here. And here's our div to display the search result, and this div class is search-result. So go to your JS file. So here will be .key up event. So when user type something in our search box, we need to get the value. Inside here will be function. Now to get the value from the search box, so let's create a variable to store the search value. Let's say search equal to $, parentheses, this, which means from this input dot val method to get the value from the input. And now to send the AJAX request to our AJAX file, which we will create. On the AJAX file, we will call our search method to display the search result. So below here, $.post to send the AJAX request, and here will be our full path for the AJAX request. So http :/localhost/tutor/core folder and /AJAX folder, which we will create, /search.php file, which we will create, comma, and here will be the string to send the search value. So here will be our post variable, which you will get in our search PHP. So search : and here will be search variable to send, comma, function to get the search result from the PHP file, and here will be our data variable to get the values from the PHP file. And now to display the data inside our search-result div. So selector, and here will be our class. So search-result.html function to display the HTML data inside our search-div. So here will be data variable, and also end the line here for the AJAX request. Now to create the search method, so go to your users class, and below the check input method, create new public function. Name will be search, and it will take search variable to search from a database. Now to create query to search users from the table. So statement equal to this PDO repair method, and we to select user ID and username, screen name, user profile image, profile cover from users table, where username column like operator syntax used to search column for a pattern. So we need to search for the users from the users table, so we will use the like keyword, and here will be your question mark to bind the search variable, which we pass from the whole AJAX file. And let's say or screen name like question mark, and we will bind the variable. Basically, you're searching user from the username, which has the same username or screen name. So let's bind the variable. Statement bind value, and here will be position to bind the variable. So 1 for the first question mark, and here will be our search variable. So search dot single quote, and here we need to add the wildcard operator to search the ultimate collector 8% sign. This question mark means search a value from database, and it could be multiple characters. And we added this wildcard operator after our search variable to search the username, which is start with the value. So comma, and here will be our data type PDO column from underscore str for the string data. Copy and paste for the screen name and change this to 2 for the position. Now to execute the query, scroll down, statement execute. Now to return the data, so return statement fetch all method, and we return has object, so PDO column fetch underscore obj for object. Now to create the Ajax file, so we need to create the Ajax folder in our core folder. So create new folder in your core folder, and name will be Ajax. And now to get the search Ajax file, so create new file in your Ajax folder, and this will be search.php. Now to open and close PHP tag, first include the int file, so // for the back directory, int.php, and below here we need to get the Ajax request from our search.js file. So if condition is set $_post, and here will be our search post variable which we created in our JS file here. So here will be search, and let's say and exclamation mark empty function to check for the empty $_post search. Now to get variable for our search value, so search equal to get from you check input method to escape special characters $_post search, and now to create result variable to get the search result from our search method. So create result equal to get from you search method, and we need to pass the search variable. And below here we will create for each loop to display the users from the database. So let's say result has user, and here we will display the users. Now go to your projects file folder and open up search user.html file. Open with your core editor, and first copy the first line from the HTML code. Go to your search.php, and above the for each loop we need to echo the header for our search box. So paste the HTML code for our search result and the line, and below the for each loop we need to end the div. So first we need to end the another list, and then we need to end the div. Now go to your HTML file. Now copy the code from the center. Go to your search.php, and inside the for each loop paste the HTML code. Now display the user's data. So here will be user profile. So concatenate the user variable. So user name, and also we need to add the base URL. So dot base underscore URL. Now to copy the variable with the single quote to save the time, and also paste here for the profile link. Scroll to right, and inside our profile image we'll display the profile image, so paste here also. Change this to profile image, and here will be username. So remove the base URL, copy the variable with a single quote, and paste here for the screen name. Change this to screen name. Go to your home.php file and scroll down to find header wrapper end. Here is our header wrapper end, and below here we need to include our such JavaScript file. So script source equal to assets folder / js folder, and here will be search.js file. Now go to your home page, refresh the page, search for A, and it didn't return the user. Let's see what happened. Users class inside our search query. I think we have typo. Yeah, here should be screen name. Scroll to right, and also here will be C for the screen name. Let's test this out. So go to your home page, refresh the page, search for A. Now display the user. Let's type D for the Rennie. And now go to your search PHP file, and before our echo here we need to get if condition to display the for each loop and the wrapper when the result is returned. So if exclamation mark empty function result variable, open curly bracket and scroll down, and below echo close the curly bracket. Now go to your home page, refresh, type for the user, remove. Perfect. So we successfully created the search method to search users. See you in the next lecture.